This video primarily teaches us how to debug interactive beach games. Step 1. Equipment setup and connection. Infrared modules, trays, computers, projectors, suspension racks, etc. Install the equipment as shown in the diagram. Step 2. Install interactive software. Find the installation package and click to install. If already installed, please skip this step. After installation, you will have 3 system drivers. If already installed, please close them. If not, continue with the installation. Step 3. Calibration. After opening, click on Settings. Set the gain to maximum to brighten the screen for calibration. Next, adjust the camera to ensure its illumination covers the entire display area. After Settings, select Calibration and click the Calibration button as shown below. Follow the prompts of the blue circles for calibration. Place the mobile with the flash on at the first calibration point. Use the mouse to point the red crosshairs at the bright spot to complete calibration for 1 point. Calibrate the other 3 points one by one in sequence. After calibration, the calibration interface will close automatically. After calibration, the gain value must be set to 0. Place the fishing tray on the ground to see if there are white recognition points in the recognition area. Step 4. Add games to the interactive system. Select Play Plan. Add the software to the playlist. Check Autoplay Recycle to enable automatic looping playback after software startup. Step 5. RS-to-3 to connection settings. Select the corresponding COM port and projector model to control the projector switch. Step 6. Set the interactive system to boot automatically. Click Auto Run, then click OK. The 7th step is to exit the software and save the settings. Right-click on the tray icon to bring up the pop-up menu, where you can exit. Step 8. Experience the game.